Copper is a vital trace element which is really important for both your physical and emotional health. The problem is that sometimes the copper level is too high, and then people can present with all sorts of symptoms including fatigue, insomnia, heavy periods and premenstrual syndrome. There are a number of symptoms associated with excess copper. Classically, people tell me that their brain feels wired, really revved up, and yet their body is physically exhausted. In addition, people may experience anxiety, obsessive-compulsive disorder, learning difficulties, and as such there are quite a few different symptoms that go with elevated levels of copper. There are multiple reasons for elevated levels of copper. Copper can be found in water that's come through copper pipes. The pill and HRT are associated with elevated levels of copper because estrogen is associated with copper. Vegetarian diets are relatively high in copper and lack the zinc that would be found in animal proteins that can be protective against high levels of copper. Women who are pregnant and have high levels of copper may transfer some of it into the developing baby. And adrenal fatigue, because basically anyone who is tired or fatigued is not going to have the energy to eliminate copper adequately. This 46-year-old lady suffered a number of health problems related to elevated copper levels, and that included heavy periods, PMS, iron deficiency, and being overweight. In addition, she was very tired. Let's have a look at her hair test. And on her hair test, you can see that her copper level is 12.8, which is well and truly off the chart, which goes up to 7.5. Does nutritional balancing really work? Well, this 19-year-old young lady suffered a number of symptoms consistent with elevated levels of copper, and that included anxiety, depression, brain fog, headaches, weight gain, and sleeping difficulties. So here's her first test in May of 2013, and you can see that the copper level looks normal. It's 2.7 and the ideal or optimal level is 2.5. Her follow-up test in September of 2013 shows a number of changes. The most dramatic is that copper, which appeared normal on the initial test, was 2.7, and this time it is 9.4 over the top of the chart. And this is because she's had the appropriate minerals to help her eliminate the stored copper. To find out more, you are welcome to contact us at the Wellbeing Institute of Australia, www.wellbeinginstitute.com.au.